Do you want to write with the same speed and 100% accuracy? Then don't forget to watch the video and subscribe the channel and also like the video. So let's start. So guys, if you want to write with the same speed and 100% accuracy, then all you need is just a website on which you are testing yourself and Python with the PyAuto GUI library. So we are going to do a small hack on this website, and then we would also be able to write with the speed of more than 100 words per minute and with the 100% accuracy. So let's start. So basically what we have to do is, first we will try to extract out this paragraph that we need to type. So for that, simply I will right click on this page and will go to inspect, or you can do this with the shortcut Control Shift I. After that, you can see that select an element in the page to inspect it. This kind of a button, you have to click on this and you have to go on the text that you want to select. If I will click over here, let me try it again so that I can reach the exact place. So this is my element that I need to copy and paste it into a HTML file. So simply I will click as edit as HTML, and after click on this, you will simply press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy this whole element. After copying this whole element, all you have to do is you have to go to the place where your program is saved. Like I have created a separate folder for this, like PyCharm HTML parser, and we will click on new, and you will create a new text document. After that, you will open this text document and paste all the things that you have copied. After pasting this, you have to go on file and click on save as, and on the same location I will save it as typing.html. So here you can see I've got a HTML document typing.html, and if I will open this document, here you can see that we have got the same paragraph that we need to type. But there is a small fault in this, that is we are also having an enter key sign that we need to remove separately. Like here you can match, let me close this. So it grews upon him and he gave a little bench behind the bar. So this is the same paragraph that we have got, and the paragraph is not visible after there, but if you will inspect the element, then you can see that you can see the whole paragraph. Now what you need to do is you need to copy this. Like let me copy a small part of this, because I will be typing for only 1 minute. If you choose 3 minutes or 5 minutes, then definitely you need to copy the whole paragraph. So I will copy a small part of it, and after copying this small part, what I will do is I'll go to the same location where I created this HTML file, and here I will create a new document. Let's suppose from the name, uh, let me open this and paste that paragraph over here. After pasting that paragraph, what you have to do is you have to remove these enter sign. So we will remove it slowly from all the paragraphs. Wherever you see this enter sign, you have to remove this enter sign. So I have guys removed all the enter signs. Now I will save this as a text document only, but I want a different name for my document. Like suppose typing test. So I've saved this text document. Now all you need to do is open your PyCharm editor or any other code editor that you are opening. After that, you have to open the command prompt and install the PyAuto GUI library. So you can install this by PyAuto GUI, and when you will press enter, you would be able to install the PyAuto GUI library. Like my library is already installed, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. After that, here's a small program. Let me remove this stuff. So I've simply imported the PyAuto GUI as py and imported the time module. After that, I've written time.sleep 8 second. Means we want to execute this code after the 8 second, and you will come to know why I'm doing this. And here I will pass the file like typing test.txt, the file in which we have pasted all the content that we want to type. We will open that file in the reading mode. And now with the help of this PyAuto GUI library, I'm typing py.write I an interval. So what this program does is, let me comment out this, and first let me show you the use of this AutoPy library. If I write py hello world, and if I will guys execute this program, let me execute this. So wherever your mouse will be there, this will automatically type the particular string that you will pass over here. Like I passed the hello world, so it has typed hello world over here. And if I use time.sleep, and suppose let me pass 2 seconds, then what it would do is it would wait for 2 seconds. After that, it would write the hello world. So let execute this again. So here you can see it will wait for 2 seconds, and now it has written hello world. Simply guys, there is a second argument, that is interval. If you want to control the speed of your typing, then you can pass the other argument, that is interval. So I will pass here like suppose 2 seconds. Now what it will do is, let's see, it will wait for 2 seconds, and now it will start writing. See E, then after 2 seconds it will write, means every character would be written after a gap of 2 seconds. So I've terminated that program, and if I will pass here over like 0.9 second, then the typing speed would be great. So here you can see after the 0.9 second it is typing the every character. So for increasing your typing speed, you can set the interval as the way you want. So let me delete this code and comment out, uncomment this code. So basically what I am doing is, the program will start after 8 seconds so that you can reach the particular website on which you want to type. And after that I am reading a single line from the typing test.txt in the reading mode, and I am writing that particular line with the interval of 0.1 second. If you will increase the interval like 1 second, then definitely your typing speed would decrease. So let me pass over here 0.1 second. And now guys, if I will run this program, so control shift F10, and let me reach to the, and I will click over here. Now after the 8 second, it will automatically start typing, and as we have passed the interval 0.1 second, then typing speed would definitely be great. Here you can see, and with the 100% accuracy. So guys, it is typing by itself and with such a great accuracy. So this was a little hack for typing with the 100% accuracy and with the speed of over 100 words per minute. So thank you for this video. If any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.